Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will show you how to make the iconic Dalgona candy from Squid Game out of paper. First, gather your materials. You will need a sheet of paper, preferably cardstock for durability, a pair of scissors, and a pencil. Also, find a small, simple cookie cutter shape, like a circle or star, to use as your template. This project is a fun way to recreate the challenge. Now, let's create the Dalgona shape. Place your cookie cutter firmly on the paper and carefully trace around its outer edge with your pencil. Make sure the shape is well defined. Next, cut out a larger circular piece of paper, approximately 3 to 4 inches in diameter, which will serve as the base for your candy. This step requires precision, just like the show. With your small, sharp scissors, carefully begin cutting along the traced lines of your inner shape. Take your time and make small snips to ensure clean edges. The goal is to remove the inner shape without tearing the surrounding paper, mimicking the delicate challenge from the series. Once your shape is fully cut, gently erase any visible pencil marks to give it a clean finish. Flatten the paper Dalgona carefully to ensure it lies perfectly flat. You now have your very own paper Dalgona candy. This makes a fantastic prop for themed parties or a unique decoration, celebrating the thrilling game.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.